Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set shut off timer with the on TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Now, you may be wondering, what is a shut-off timer? This will automatically turn off your on TV, turn it to set to screensaver and send it to sleep when you have not been active on it for a certain period of time. It could be 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you set. So let's dive straight into it and find out how to set it. So I'm going to navigate to quick settings right here, click on it and then click on all settings. Now you should be in on this page of the settings. Navigate down to system, click on system and scroll down until you find shut off timer. So click on shut off timer and you see it written on the screen, automatically turn off when inactive. So in my case, you see that mine is set to 20 minutes. So if I'm inactive for 20 minutes, I'm not streaming, I'm not navigating the system, after 20 minutes, my on TV is going to automatically turn off. So if you wish to put it to an hour, you could do so. 24 hours, why not 15 minutes? Perfect. So choose whatever time is preferable to you and set your on TV to switch off at that time. If you found that insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.